Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. With a market cap of $204 billion, Cisco is a S&P 500 company within the communication equipment industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth 0.2%. Earnings growth 3.4%. Earnings estimates 7.14%. Return on capital 13.69%. Debt to free cash flow 0.78 years. Share buybacks no. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield 3.08%. Payout ratio 44.44%. Growth rate 6.85%. Growth years 10 years. That gives Cisco 6 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate this company as a position for your dividend portfolio. Now, let's take a look at the current stock valuation. Based on historical multiples and future estimates from GuruFocus.com, Cisco is fairly valued. At FastGraphs.com, we can see that analysts estimates a total annual return of 9.1% compared to its normal valuation over a 10-year period. What's your thoughts on Cisco in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a request in the comments regarding future videos. If you found value in this video, please leave a like, and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.